Hello class R, hope you're enjoying the sunshine too. I'm sat out with Rex in the garden and I've just had some post. Now, this is from I think my paleontologist friend who heard about our problem and has sent me, it's like an information text. It says, how to look after a Tyrannosaurus Rex. That's convenient and sounds very helpful. I'm going to read it to you. Right. Says, feed them meat because they are carnivores. Rex, is that right? He's a carnivore. I need to feed him meat. Okay. Seems easy enough. Next one. Put lots of water into a bowl so they can drink. I can do that. Seems sensible enough. Right then, this might be easier than I thought. Put lots of hay in their nest to keep them. Now it says warm, but that's not a word. Warm. Put lots of hay in their nest to keep them warm. Cool. Page number 2. Let them sleep at night when it is dark. Let them sleep at night when it's dark. Okay. Do not put your fingers. Do not put your fingers near the teeth. Don't do that. Okay. Brush the might make an A or scales to get off the this makes an sound. Dirt. Okay, I need to brush his scales. Don't put my fingers in his mouth. Let him sleep at night. Put warm hay in his bed. Drink water. And eat meat. Right. I think we've got this, Rex. We'll look